How do you say bless you in Italian? The phrase bless you in Italian is salute. Salute. Quando qualcuno starnutisce, dici salute. Quando qualcuno starnutisce, dici salute. When someone sneezes, say bless you. Ha starnutito 3 volte. Ho detto salute ogni volta. Ha starnutito 3 volte. Ho detto salute ogni volta. He sneezed 3 times. I said bless you each time. The word salute literally means health, so you're wishing somebody good health after a sneeze. It can also be used as a toast, like we say cheers in English. You can say salute. Salute. Sei raffreddato? Salute. Sei raffreddato? Bless you. Do you have a cold? Starnutisci sempre 3 volte. Salute. Starnutisci sempre 3 volte. Salute. You always sneeze 3 times. Bless you. Dopo uno starnuto si dice salute. Dopo uno starnuto si dice salute. After a sneeze, you say bless you. So if you want to say bless you in Italian, you can say salute. And if you want to learn to speak Italian, you can get my course 3-Minute Italian by going to www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Grazie.